Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez, and last night in my live I said I'd do a quick unboxing today. I had to pull something out of it last night, so we'll just do it now. So the box is open. Here's all my details if you wish to purchase or join with me. And here's my little box. Ta-da! I've pulled the air out already. We get air packets in there to keep your stuff nice and fresh and keep it so that it doesn't get damaged when there's excess space, which is really handy. So I've got some, I bought some more of these. This is the sheer ribbon combo pack. And look at those beautiful colours. So that's Bubble Bath. What's that one called? Azure Afternoon. Hang on, I've got to get the right name. Get my marker out. Azure Afternoon. I had it right. That's one of the new ones. It's a lovely colour. And we've got Lemon Lolly there. So we've got, now I do have a link that you can look at for my website. I've prepared a poll earlier, but I can't see it now. I haven't used polls in lives much, and I just can't see it. Where is it? Because I had a question about the colours. Let's see if that does it. Hang on. Oh, yep, there we go. Look at that. Launch a poll. Woohoo! You see, you can vote on the colours you like. So this one's Lemon Lolly, and this one's Bubble Bath. So my poll question has, which one do you like? Which one's your favourite out of those two? They're just gorgeous. And I've got some cardstock as well. So this is the ribbon that I opened last night to go on my cards, and this is called Lost Lagoon, and it's just such a lovely ribbon. So I'll just show you the card I used it on last night. Hi Jiminy, welcome. So I used it on that one, so it's nice and flat. It's actually quite soft, and this one I tied a bow in it, so you can see how soft it is. It's just really, but it's also firm enough to hold its shape. Very nice ribbon. Got some extra bling, adhesive backed sequins trio, which is very pretty, and I'm preparing for our team retreat in August, so I've got a few things for that. This is one of them. So this is the Masterfully Made Designer Series paper, and it's got some beautiful colours in it. I do have one open somewhere. I'm not going to open another one yet, so we might find the other one and see if we can open that so I can show that to you again. Got to find it in my stash. Oh, I can't see it. I'll just have to open this one. It's got to be opened anyway, so I'll do that. I just usually run my scissors down the top there and all the way down. I'm not normally standing up when I do that. Hi Roz, welcome. Just a small unboxing today. Just trying to keep my lives on Wednesday night for the card making. So I did my unboxing separately. So this is that beautiful Masterfully Made. Now I don't have the whole suite yet, but I'm working on it. It's beautiful paper. And the way they make these papers, they actually make stuff up like this and then photograph it. It's just incredible. I saw some of their other sets on the weekend. Just pop that over there. So you get 2 of each sheet in the packet. This one's got all the little words on it. Oh. It's just so stunning. Let me put this down. I'll go like that. That might be a bit easier. It's got the pretty peacock and Lost Lagoon on the back. Could have used some of this last night. Very beautiful. Pretty, pretty paper. Just don't know which one. That's gorgeous. I love that. I don't know if you can see my poll. Is it still there? I put a poll up about Bubble Bath and Lemon Lolly. Which one's your favourite colour? Oh, that's that sheet again. This one's got all words through it as well. Look. Love that idea. It's gorgeous. And then this one's the last one, I think. Now remember that designer series paper, not all of it, but a lot of it, selected ones you'll see on the website are on sale till tomorrow. So you've still got another 2 days of that sale. 15% off some of the designer series papers. And this is one of them. So you know, and that way, turn that off, you can get it a little bit cheaper. So I've just got some cardstocks now. I've got some Bubble Bath. That's beautiful soft pinky colour. I've got some copper clay. A bit shiny, aren't they? There's me. Hi! Can you see me? Oh, it's not as reflective as that punch last night, is it? So this one's a pretty peacock. Oh, I've got too much light going on there. I need some open packets, don't I? I haven't opened these ones. There's your Lemon Lolly. And this one is the Lemon Lime Twist. So we've got 2 cardstocks with the word lemon in them now. But they're not the same. One's a greeny and one's a yellowy. Lemon Lime Twist. And that's what I have in my box. So I'll just grab my other packet of open stuff, because that way you can see the colours of those a bit better if I've still got some in there. So you can actually buy packets like this of the cardstock with all the colours. So this was the core colours. Some of those, not all of those. Just pop that there for a minute. And so that's, this way you can see the colours a bit better. And through a bit of plastic. So that's the Lemon Lime Twist and the Lemon Lolly. And then we've got, no, not Posh Freesia, where's that other one? Bubble Bath. I've got a Bubble Bath out. I've got a whole lot out on my desk from last night. Still, there's the Azure Afternoon. What else did I have in the box? Pretty Peacock. There might be one in there. Let's just have a look. Yep, there's a Pretty Peacock. Oh, I didn't have the Azure in there. Pretty Peacock. And what else have we got? That's about it. It's the copper one. I haven't got one of those out handy. And that's in the in colours. So the copper clay comes out of the current in colours. And the other one, let's see if I've got one of them handy. No, there's not one handy. No, can't see one handy. Can't see one handy at all. Just looking for my other cards with the copper clay on. I fixed them all up the other day. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the copper clay. That's copper clay. So that was a card I did in my class the other week using the copper clay. So there's a whole lot of things for you. That's it. That's all we've got for today. So thanks for joining me. If you wish to purchase anything, just let me know. Or to join the team is still special. It's always special. I've got a lovely team. And it's fun being on a team too. We do, like, we've got a retreat coming up for team only, which is going to be a lot of fun. And there's other things, you know, we did the Creativity Now with Stampin' Up the other day, and there's just, the community is great. So, plus the discount, let's not forget that. So joining the team at the moment is $169, and you get $283 worth of products. So that's pretty good value. Very good value. So I'll leave it with you. Let me know. That special's on till the end of tomorrow, the 30th of June. And then we've got the new online exclusives coming in July. So that's exciting too. There's always something happening. They've got things you can purchase online only now. They're not in the catalogue, so make sure you check that out as well. Okay, ciao!